to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Fitz, and this is my esteemed colleague,
Lenny,
the man.
welcome everyone.
Great to have you with me this morning.
Yeah, thanks, Fitz.
Yeah, it's been a great morning so far. I want to let everyone know about our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants Symposium this year. I know you did a phenomenal job last week on our 300th Monday Morning Minute. Lenny let everybody know about where we're having it, what's going to be happening, who's going to be lecturing. Hey, I got some good news, Lenny. We got one more lecturer, Dr. Thomas Baggett, one of our Mini Dental Implant Centers of America.
Yeah.
He's going to be coming from Missouri out to Utah to share his knowledge. And believe me, he's got plenty of knowledge. This gentleman has been through the trenches in dentistry. He's done conventional implants, mini implants, every bit of dentistry you could ever imagine. So if you haven't heard Dr. Baggett, it's going to be a treat.
Yeah, he was actually with us at our advanced course right here in April. And you know, for any of our doctors that missed him in April, come out to Park City. You'll have an opportunity to meet him there and learn from him in Park City.
That's correct. So so we're going to have. So we have Diana Rodriguez, we have Andrea Smith, we have
Dr. Dennis Flanagan, Dr. Ronald Petrowski, Dr. Todd Shatkin.
Correct, Dr.
Now
Shatkin.
Dr. Thomas Baggett.
We're gonna have quite a lineup. Now let's talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing there. Besides excellent lecturers, we're also going to talk about a written exam that will be given on Saturday afternoon. Okay. Now Lenny and I have been getting a ton of calls from doctors about what the content is going to be for this exam. Well, Dr. Shatkin has instructed me that the panel, including like Dr. Shatkin, Dr. Flanagan, Dr. Smith, Dr. Rodriguez, Dr. Petrowski, Dr. Baggett, what'll happen is we're gonna cover everything in the 2 days, but we want you to bring your dental experience over the years with you and all the implants that you've ever done, and bring that knowledge with you. And then we're going to talk about exactly what will be on the exam. Anyone who passes this exam will become a diplomat in the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants.
You do have to pass the exam. So if you just come out to Park City, that doesn't mean you become a diplomat right away. You do have to pass the exam at the end of the 2 days.
Yeah.
Just wanted to make that clear.
Yes, and Dr. Shatkin was pretty explicit about that. So yes, you have to pass the exam. And we're going to, I mean, the content you probably already have, but we'll talk about it on Friday and Saturday, May 31st and June 1st. But it's going to be a great opportunity. Like if you were a dentist, Lenny, and I would highly suggest that you become a diplomat in this academy.
Well, that's what I was going to ask you next, Fitz.
Yeah.
Why would a doctor want to become a diplomat in the academy?
Let me tell you.
What perks do they get when they're a diplomat?
Let me explain. So having that diplomat status, okay, and we encourage all of our doctors to go to many different types of CE. And as time goes on and the more implants that you place, you're going to be, one day a question might come up from one of your colleagues or maybe a foe, who knows. But
sometimes those are oral surgeons, right? They always have questions about, hey, do these things work? Are you doing them the right way?
That's right.
And from what you've told me, correct me if I'm wrong, having this background, right, being able to show that you're a diplomat in the academy, that you go out to these meetings every so often, that you're on the cutting edge of implant dentistry, that really helps out, doesn't it?
It 100% helps out, Lenny. I can't stress it enough. You need to have your credentials in line, and this is just right up the alley of, one-piece minimally invasive implants, both O-ball, monos. This is very important to have at your office. I mean, I can't stress it enough.
Yeah.
And you want to be well-rounded in CE, and this is just one of these. It's a part of the pie, but it's a big part of the pie, because usually we have doctors lecturing to get up to that point, but we're gonna offer this written exam, which is going to be a good way for you to become a diplomat. So I can't stress it enough how important it is. And I know Dr. Shatkin a few weeks ago stressed on how important credentialing is. So we're following that lead as well.
And Fitz, you know this, but I'm not sure if many of our doctors do. I do come from a little bit of a marketing background, and looking at this from the patient's perspective, right? Having those credentials when they're coming into your office, it really sets you apart from the other dentists in the area, and it really puts you on a pedestal when these patients are coming in as you're the expert in the field.
I agree 100%. I mean, they'll have more confidence, the patients will feel more comfortable. So everything about it is a plus, plus, plus. So And we're going to be there anyway. How beautiful is Park City, Utah?
I've only been once, and it's absolutely stunning. So I'm looking forward to being there again, doing all the things that I wasn't able to, get done the first time. So we're going to be there at the course, but we're going to be there a few days early, and we might stay even a day later.
I think we should.
Activities as well.
I think we should. And it's a nice time of the year. It's going to be nice and warm out there, so we'll be able to do some hiking, some fun stuff. If you want to hang around the pool, bring your wives or significant others, your husbands, and we'll have a great time out there for sure.
So Fitz, going on to my next point that I wanted to ask you about, when a doctor becomes a member of the Academy, right? Leaving the Diplomat aside, just a member of the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants.
So it's $400 to join the Academy, but when we have this meeting, it's $1,295 for a dentist. You take the $400 that you paid, we'll deduct that off the $1,295. So you pay $895. So it's really a win-win. And then you'll get 16 CE credits for being there for 2 days.
Perfect. So if you're not a member of the Academy, it's $1,295.
$1,295 for the course.
Correct me if I'm wrong, you get 1 year of membership into the Academy. Is that correct?
That is correct.
All right,
100%.
perfect. That's awesome.
Come out to Utah. We'll have a great time out there. You'll learn a lot. You'll become experts in the mini dental implant and mono dental implant field. The lecturers that are going to be there have well over 150 to probably 200,000 implants placed.
Yeah.
So, hey.
And one of the big things that I always talk about, right, is networking. Being able to network with these doctors.
It's important.
That's what some of our top doctors here have done, right? So a lot of these doctors that are going to be lecturing, when they first started off, they networked with, the generation prior to them and the successful dentists that were doing what they're doing today way back then, right? So this Academy meeting, some of our top doctors all across the world will be coming out to this Academy meeting. So if you've been out to some advanced courses or some intro courses with us in the past, this one's a little bit different, right? Because this is the symposium, this is the meeting that all the top doctors will come to. So doctors that you've seen, doctors that are inside of these journals that actually wrote these articles that helped do the research, they're going to be there, whether they're on stage or part of the audience. They'll be there, and that's a great opportunity for you to meet them, network with them, and discuss minis.
Yeah,
and monos.
You're absolutely right. I mean, a very good point. Excellent point. Because there's so much learning that occurs, like in the classroom, not always from the podium, but sitting next to your dental colleague.
I mean, I've seen a lot of
amazing.
I've seen a lot of mentorships, begin to happen at these meetings, right? Where you'll meet someone, you become friends with them, and then they kind of become your mentor, and they help you reach the next level in implant dentistry.
And every single dentist goes through the same thing. We got a big family at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T, and we're so excited about it. Yeah. I think everybody's going to have a wonderful time. You'll learn a lot. You'll bring that knowledge back to your dental office, and you'll be better and better and better. We want you guys to come out to Park City. We want you to start doing things. We want you to start placing as many mini and models as you can. And we look forward to seeing everyone out in Utah, especially.
I can't wait. I'm excited. It's
awesome.
On my calendar.
Yes, it is.
I might actually bring my family with me, too.
You should.
Yeah.
And
we encourage you guys to do the same. Bring your family, bring your staff members. We're going to be there for 2 days, but turn it into a trip. Enjoy the time there in Park City. Enjoy the wonderful beauties that it offers. And
100%.
We're all just looking forward to seeing each and every one of you. And for anyone who's ready to sign up for Park City, call us today, and you're going to receive an additional $100 off the tuition of the course, okay?
That's right, $100 off. Remember that. We hope you have a great week placing mini and mono dental implants. And remember, if you want more information on Park City, go to our website at shatkinfirst.com, or you can call us. We're available all day for you. The phone number is 1-888-4-SHATKIN. So give us a call, and we look forward to seeing everyone out in Park City, Utah at the end of May. See you next week.
Signing out.
Ciao.